Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, I just wanted to tell you that so today I actually got to test the drone. Some of you don't know, so I got a drone, guys. So today I had a chance to test the drone, to fly it without looking at the drone itself, but just looking at the screen. So yeah, I went there, guys. I went at the park. So this is my stuff, and yeah, I'm just coming back. So guys, I'm going to show you some yeah, that's right, I'm going to show you some of the shots that I got for the drone. So yeah, that's me, guys, just coming back, and hopefully you can enjoy some of the shots that I got. It was very interesting. I was able to get the spin around the same point that I was, just to get a shot around me, and the drone went really high, about 200 feet. So that was interesting, and yeah, I'm having really so much fun flying the drone. It's interesting. As I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, you know how some kids are always very good at controlling the controller. They call it the controller. And I don't play games, but I think this drone, it's user friendly. It's easy to control all those to control the controller, whatever that is. But you know, I really did enjoy. So hopefully you can enjoy my shots that I got. I got very crazy shots, guys. I hope you can enjoy. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the shots that I got from Elena. You know, I'm just learning. It's not like I am an expert, and once I get an expert, I get an expertise, or if I get very good, let me say that. So we'll see how far this is gonna be. So guys, we're gonna do this together. We are going to do this adventure together to learn how to fly the drone. So you're going to see how I fly it, and let me know if you have a question or whatever you need to comment, you know, things like that. And now, since we have a drone, guys, we can go check out so many cute places and so many good places here in LA, and just very good shots. So let me know, guys, and I'm gonna do that. Thank you so much for always coming to my channel. I really do appreciate. And ciao. So guys, wait for those shots. I'm going to show them. I just wanted to tell you that yeah, I did go test the drone and it was perfect. I really enjoyed flying it. It's really interesting. So yeah, let me know, guys. I'm just walking, going home from the park, because you know, sometimes you need to have a very good space so you can practice. Sometimes you move, the drone goes somewhere else, so you need a lot of space, and that's why I went to the park. And you're going to see my shots. All right, guys, ciao. Talk to you later, guys, and ciao.